Keep your chainsaw cutting like new with this powerful tool. The best chainsaw sharpener ensures precision sharpening, prolongs blade life, and boosts cutting efficiency, making it a must-have for every woodworker and outdoor enthusiast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. NEOTEC Chainsaw Sharpener. The NEOTEC Chainsaw Sharpener is an impressive choice for homeowners who want a lightweight yet powerful cutting and sharpening solution. Weighing only a fraction of a traditional chainsaw, just 11% of the weight, it's exceptionally easy to handle, even for beginners. Its compact design allows you to prune overhead branches with one hand, eliminating the strain that comes with heavier tools. Powered by an 800W professional-grade motor, it delivers high-performance cutting, tackling tough 6-inch oak logs with the ease of slicing soft butter. Whether you're trimming branches, clearing weeds, or reaching tight spots a regular chainsaw can't, this tool proves highly versatile. Safety is a priority, with a protective hood to block flying debris and a dual-step safety lock to prevent accidental activation. Its 4,000 mAh lithium batteries ensure long periods of continuous cutting without the hassle of noisy engines or complex maintenance. Everything you need comes in the box: 2 rechargeable batteries, 2 chains, 2 bars, a quick charger, screwdriver, guide plate sheath, and even a sturdy suitcase, allowing you to get started immediately. With no extra purchases or complicated tutorials, it's designed for convenience from the start. The NEOTEC sharpener not only enhances cutting performance, but also reduces fatigue, making it ideal for extended use in the yard. This blend of power, portability, and user-friendly operation makes it a great option for anyone seeking an all-in-one chainsaw and sharpening tool that can keep up with regular yard maintenance. Its ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue, while the portable suitcase keeps everything organized. Perfect for homeowners seeking effortless performance and reliable, consistent cutting. Number 2. Pebble Chainsaw Sharpener. The Pebble Chainsaw Sharpener offers a cordless, highly portable solution for maintaining your chainsaw anywhere, anytime. The kit comes with a cordless chainsaw sharpening tool, chainsaw angle guide attachment, wrench, and 4 different file size sharpening wheels: 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and another 7/32, making it compatible with virtually any chainsaw chain. Designed for both professionals and beginners, its ergonomic build ensures comfort during extended use, while the angle guide helps maintain perfect sharpening angles whether you're right or left-handed. Compared to manual files, this electric sharpener produces consistently sharp, evenly ground teeth, eliminating the guesswork of hand sharpening. Adjustable speed settings let you fine-tune your sharpening process, and the high-quality motor bearings deliver exceptional stability and precision for every tooth. Not only does it save time, but it also extends the lifespan of your chainsaw by reducing wear and strain on the engine. The cordless operation adds unmatched freedom, allowing you to sharpen in the field without being tethered to a power source. Safety is also improved, as a sharp chain requires less pressure to cut, lowering the risk of accidents. For anyone frustrated by inconsistent results from manual sharpening or tired of hauling their chain to shop, the Pebble Cordless Sharpener is an efficient, accurate, and highly convenient alternative. Portable and dependable, it's ideal for remote work sites. Keep your chains in peak shape with professional precision and unmatched cordless convenience. Number 3. SDU Chainsaw Sharpener. The SDU Chainsaw Sharpener is a cordless, portable, and highly efficient tool that makes chain maintenance quick and effortless. Powered by a strong 12V battery, this sharpener is ready to work anytime, anywhere, perfect for those who need on-the-spot sharpening without removing the chain or plugging into an outlet. It comes with 3 instructional videos to guide you through the process, making it ideal even for beginners who have never sharpened a chain before. The included angle attachment is particularly useful for maintaining the correct sharpening angle, giving you professional-level results with minimal learning curve. The SDU sharpener is equipped with titanium-coated bits for enhanced durability and comes with 6 bits in 3 standard sizes: 5/32 inch, 3/16 inch, 7/32 inch, to accommodate a wide range of chain types. The 12V power ensures fast and effective results, even on the dullest chains, far outperforming lower voltage sharpeners and completely replacing the slow and tiring hand filing method. With this sharpener, you can restore your chain's edge in minutes, improving both safety and efficiency during cutting tasks. Designed to be a dependable assistant for chainsaw users, the SDU sharpener not only extends chain life, but also makes cutting smoother and less strenuous. It's compact enough to carry in your toolkit and comes in attractive packaging, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone from seasoned loggers to occasional backyard cutters. For those looking for a powerful, convenient, and beginner-friendly sharpening solution, the ES-Do Chainsaw Sharpener is a standout option. Compact yet powerful, it's the go-to choice for field maintenance. Achieve sharp results anywhere without bulky tools or complicated setups. Number 4. KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener. The KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener is a high-speed, professional-grade tool built for quick and precise chain maintenance. Featuring a 250W motor operating at 8,400 RPM, it delivers efficient sharpening that saves time and effort for both DIYers and professionals. The durable construction resists rust and wear, ensuring it stands up to frequent use indoors or outdoors. Its adjustable grinding angle adds versatility, allowing you to sharpen chains from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch pitch with accuracy, making it compatible with many chainsaw models. The secure mounting base provides excellent stability during operation, reducing movement and enhancing both accuracy and safety, particularly useful when working with heavier chains. Despite its power and durability, the KonKell sharpener remains lightweight at just 1.55 kilograms, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're in a workshop, garage, or job site, it's a reliable choice for keeping chains in peak condition. This combination of high performance, adjustable precision, and portability makes the KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener a solid investment for anyone serious about maintaining their cutting tools. Engineered for accuracy, it's a workshop essential. Maintain peak cutting efficiency and extend chain life with quick, stable, and precise sharpening. Number 5. KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener. The KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener delivers cordless convenience combined with robust performance thanks to its 8V motor and extended 2,500 mAh battery capacity. This long-lasting battery allows you to sharpen chains anywhere without the restriction of power cords, making it ideal for field work. The sharpener includes 6 titanium-coated diamond bits in 3 common sizes, 5/32 inch, 3/16 inch, 7/32 inch, ensuring compatibility with virtually all major chainsaw chains. The titanium coating improves durability and sharpening efficiency, producing smooth, fast results. An included angle guide makes it easy for even beginners to maintain consistent sharpening angles, resulting in uniformly sharp teeth that improve cutting performance and safety. Designed for speed, the KonKell sharpener can transform a dull chain into a razor-sharp cutting tool in minutes, significantly reducing downtime compared to manual filing. All components come neatly organized in a durable storage bag, protecting your investment and making it easy to transport. Whether you're a professional logger, landscaper, or casual user, this sharpener offers a reliable and portable solution to keep your chains performing at their best. With its efficient design, durability, and thoughtful accessories, the KonKell Chainsaw Sharpener stands out as both a practical work tool and a great gift idea for chainsaw owners. Travel-friendly and efficient, it's perfect for long days outdoors. Keeps chains sharp, ensuring smoother cuts and reduced strain on your equipment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.